Hey everyone, we just want to give a big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this Christmas special video. Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. A couple of days before Thanksgiving this year, we had a live stream video and some of you guys joined us on there. We started raising money for this Adopt a Family Fund. I just really felt in my heart that this was something that FFT was supposed to do this year, and we just knew that we could count on you guys to help support some other families in my local community. And so we, on that live stream, were able to raise around $2,000. We're just still blown away by that number. So we just want to say thank you first and foremost. And right now I am going to call and we're going to see how many families that we can bless this Christmas season because of people like you guys who not only support FFT, but are willing to support people that you don't even know.
Thank you, Lauren. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So we've got 10 families that we just adopted. Super exciting. This is just step one of what we're gonna be able to do. And I'm excited to get the packets, figure out everything about the families, and then of course, go shopping.
All right, we got the whole crew out here today. This is my sister, Leah. And you guys know who this woman is.
So exciting.
The amazing Sherry. And then the mind behind it all. Oh, let me not forget this one. I'm on baby duty today.
This girl is done.
Panda Express.
I'll see you there.
We got it all loaded up.
Success, y'all. That wasn't bad. How long did it take? 3 hours?
Well, 2.5.
2.5, not bad.
Yeah. Alright, so we've got all of our things piled up. I put them all in piles when we got home, and I've got the families around the room. I'm just trying to be organized because I've actually come to the conclusion that this isn't an easy process, but I'm actually having a lot of fun anyway. Some of the stuff, as you saw, we got at Walmart, but also some things that were on the wish list. I just also looked on Amazon, and so this just came. One of the little girls wanted a fox printed bedspread, and so I got her a little fox printed quilt for her room from Amazon, so that's super cool. I'm continuing to get this organized, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a master list of the things that I still need to go grab, and then Neiman and I are gonna run to some more stores and grab some more things.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
All right, we got one senior finished up here. Our camera's about to die and I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna call it a night. We've got one person completely done. I will be back here throughout the week to continue wrapping more and more presents. So again, I know I keep saying it in this video, but we are just so thankful for all of you. It literally wouldn't be possible without you. So thank you, and I'm overwhelmed but also overjoyed, and this is just gonna be amazing, and I can't wait to do it year after year after year. Under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho, we're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door. All right, guys, it is December 18th, and we are getting ready to make our first delivery today. We've got one delivery today, and then we're going to be doing the rest Sunday, Monday, Tuesday this week. So super excited to get this done and just see the joy on their faces. And again, we could not have done this without you guys. Overall, we raised around $2,500, which was just amazing. And then of course, after all of the fees and things like that through YouTube and Buy Me a Coffee and PayPal, we were able to spend right around $1,800 for all of the families. So it's just been super eye-opening that you guys, I mean, not that we didn't know it already, but you guys as our FFT community just really came through and just are able to help bless these 10 families in our local community. So thank you guys. Let's go deliver the presents. Holidays and a blessed new year. Have a holly jolly Christmas and a bright and happy new year. Thank you from the Walker family. That's to you guys who made this possible.
Okay.
Okay. I think were you ringing the bell at Walmart in Papillion the other day?
Yep.
Yep. Yesterday.
Yep.
I saw you there. I didn't even know it was you, or I would have said hi.
On
Each
Friday
time.
and Saturday, I do it for 10 hours.
Bless your heart. That's so nice of you to do. So we've got some stuff for you.
Okay.
Got some popcorn. Maybe figured you'd like it to go along with your movies.
Oh, yeah. I
Do you like popcorn? And then we got your card and then your gift. So
Okay.
this is Kitty, and she is our last family here today that we're delivering the presents to, and she just wanted to say something to you guys.
Thank you so much, FFT family. You guys have changed the trajectory of Christmas for my entire family. I have 5 kids, so thank you for every donation that you made. It really means the world to me.
Thanks, Kitty.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Lauren. Thanks, Nima.
Bye, Kitty.
guys.
Happy holidays.
Same to you.
So the last person that we delivered to, they gave us a little thank you note, so I'm just gonna read it. Because remember, this is to you guys just as much as it's to us. Saying thank you just doesn't seem adequate in attempting to convey our gratitude for all of you. It is so humbling to be at a point in life where you have to ask for help, especially when it comes down to not being able to purchase gifts for your own children for Christmas. Thank you for being love in action, for opening your hearts, and for your overwhelming kindness. At a time when the world seems exceedingly dismal and crazy, you have been sunshine and
A blessing in our lives.
blessing in our lives. Have a very Merry Christmas, and may God bring you extra joy and abundance blessings this season.
The O'Kane family.
Yeah, so that was from Kitty. Sorry, I'm not the best at reading cursive, but that's awesome.
Thank you guys again for helping us make this happen.
Yeah, so that's a wrap on this time. I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas. I'm super excited to get to spend some time with some family, because obviously last year none of us got together, and so I'm just excited. It's been a couple of years. All the kids are growing, and it's just going to be so much fun to have all the families back together again. So I hope you guys are doing the same. Merry Christmas. Thanks again for watching. Get subscribed down below.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Like I said at the beginning of the video, this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace gives people a beautiful online platform to create their website. You can connect with your audience and generate revenue through their new gated members only content feature. You can manage your members, send email communications, and so much more, all through the Squarespace platform. So if you're ready to rock your 2022 and establish your online presence, go to squarespace.com and get started with a free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/furnitureflippingteacher for 10% off of your first website or domain.